In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a new layer in Figma. By the end, you'll understand exactly how each type of layer is created and how it fits into your design. In Figma, every object you place on the canvas becomes its own layer. And you'll see it appear instantly in the Layers panel on the left. Keeping these layers organized helps you work faster and make cleaner files, so let's walk through the core ways to add them. One of the quickest ways to create a new layer is by drawing a shape. Press R for a rectangle, O for an ellipse, or L for a line. Then click and drag on the canvas to place it. The moment you release your mouse, you've added a brand new layer. You can select that layer and customize it using the right-hand panel, adjusting things like fill, stroke, corner radius, and so on. Shapes are great for buttons, backgrounds, dividers, and any building block you need. And they're an easy way to sketch layout ideas quickly. Next, add a text layer whenever you need labels, headings, or body copy. Press T, click anywhere on the canvas, and start typing. This creates a distinct text layer that you can style independently from other layers. Use the right panel to change the font, size, weight, alignment, and color. Because text is its own layer, it's simple to move, duplicate, and manage separately from shapes or images, which keeps your design flexible as content evolves. Frames are another powerful way to create layers and structure your design. Press F or A and drag to define a frame on the canvas. Think of a frame as a container that acts as a parent layer for everything you place inside it. Frames are ideal for screens, cards, sections, and component bases, because they establish boundaries and make it easier to organize child layers. As you add elements into a frame, they become neatly grouped under that parent in the Layers panel, making your file far easier to navigate. Finally, when you already have something you like and want an identical copy, duplicate it, select the layer and press Ctrl+D on Mac or Ctrl+D on Windows. This instantly creates a new layer with the same size, style, and properties as the original. Duplicating is perfect for building consistent patterns or trying variations without starting from scratch. That's it. Thanks for watching.